Hello everybody, Man Mick here. Welcome to the channel. I have been asked by a 125cc bike owner, a U model bike, on where to activate his key because he's pressing the red start button on the bike and it's not actually igniting the bike, bringing it into life. So you hold the red power button for 2 seconds minimum, wait for the beep, then grab your keys and the man will show you where to place your key and place it in the sensing area at the front of the bike in the location here so the bike knows what key you've got. And the bike should spring into life and remember the key that you have. For some reason he's had a loss of power or he's drained his battery and he doesn't know the key he's using, so this is the process to do that. This is Mad Mick signing off. Thank you for watching.